Hello friends, myself Karishma Kalsara. I am teaching assistant in microbiology at Sri Sachanand Institute of Science and Technology. Today we are discuss about paper 504 of semester 5, bacterial metabolism. In this paper we are discussing different 4 unit. In first unit we are discuss about enzyme and energy. In detail, we are discussing about enzyme kinetic, metabolism, metabolic regulation, energy, and work. In second unit, we are discussing chemoheterotrophic metabolism, utilize substrate, catabolism of glucose, different pathways like EMP, ED, and PP pathway, TCA cycle, catabolic and anabolic role of TCA cycle, beta oxidation of fatty acid. In third unit, chemoautotrophic and phototrophic metabolism. In this chapter, we are discuss physiological group of chemolithotropes, phototropes, physiological group of phototropes, photosynthetic eubacteria, cyclic and non-cyclic phosphorylation, photophosphorylation in halobacteria, Calvin cycle, carbon dioxide fixation, etc. In the last chapter, we are discussing biosynthesis and biosynthesis of polymer, principle governing biosynthesis, overview of biosynthesis, assimilation of ammonia, nitrate, molecular nitrogen, and sulfate, biosynthesis of saturated and unsaturated fatty acids, polymerization of amino acid, nucleotides, fatty acid, biosynthesis, etc. Now we are just going through the terms of first unit, enzymes and enzyme kinetics. Now what is enzymes? We all are known the term enzymes from standard 5 or 6. Now here we are discussing in detail about enzymes and enzyme kinetics. So what is enzymes? Enzymes are proteins which act as a biocatalyst, alter the rate of reaction in a biological process. In detail, a substance usually produced by the plant and animal which help a chemical change to happen more quickly without any change itself. Enzymes are biological molecules, typically proteins, that significantly speed up the rate of virtually all the chemical reactions that take place within the cell. In this unit, we are going through the word energy. So what is energy? Energy is the physics, the capacity for doing work. It may exist in potential, kinetic, thermal, electrical, chemical, nuclear, or other various form. Energy can be neither created or destroyed, but only changed from one form to another form. This principle known as the conservation of energy, or the first law of thermodynamics. Entropy and enthalpy are important terms in the thermodynamics as like energy. Now what is entropy? Entropy, the measure of a system thermal energy per unit temperature that is unavailable for doing useful work. Entropy is defined as the quantitative measurement of disorder or randomness in a system which deal with the transfer of heat energy within a system. Now what is enthalpy? A thermodynamic quantity equivalent to the total heat content of the system. It is equal to the internal energy and the system plus the product of pressure and volume. Entropy is property of thermodynamic system is the sum of systems internal energy and the product of the pressure and volume. Now what is enzyme action? Like all catalyzed enzymes accelerate the rate of reaction while experiencing no permanent chemical modification as a result of their participant Enzymes can accelerate, often by several order of magnitude, reaction that under the mild condition of cellular concentration, temperature, pH, and pressure. Main term, enzyme kinetics. Now, what is enzyme kinetics? Is the study of chemical reaction that are catalyzed by enzymes. In enzyme kinetic, the reaction rate is measured and the effect of various conditions of the reaction is investigated. Studying an enzyme kinetic in the way can reveal the catalyzing mechanism of the enzyme. Enzymes are usually protein molecules that manipulate the enzyme substrate. These target molecules bind the enzyme active site and they transfer into product throughout the series of step down as the enzyme mechanism. As we studied in the semester 4. This mechanism can be divided into single substrate and multiple substrate mechanism. Kinetics studied on enzymes that only bind one substrate, such as a triphosphate isomerase, aim to measure the affinity with the enzyme bind the substrate and the turnover rate. Hope you understand the various term of first unit. Thank you.